sucks. I'm cold, I'm half wet, I didn't sleep at all.
Partner says I slept. I disagree. That was...
Snored. You sounded like a chainsaw.
That was some shut-eye. That's what I call that.
Oh, God, I'd hate to see what it sounds like when you get sound sleep.
Tethered by a 4-foot cable in the Great Smoky Mountains, Nick and Jameson have 35 miles remaining to reach extraction.
Our game plan is to follow this small river to a much larger body of water. I hope like hell we can find extraction.
Wow, look at that.
Getting down to this river, and man, it looks gnarly just from here.
But North Carolina's river system hosts Class 5 rapids and is home to the region's apex predators. Black bears and mountain lions frequent the riverside in search of prey.
We're gonna try to follow this river down into a bigger river and find a campsite.
What are we thinking?
I say we just hopscotch across these rocks, and then maybe on the other side of that point, the water's not as turbulent, and we'll be able to cross or at least go down without drowning ourselves.
This damn tether, I can guarantee you, it's not gonna be good. Careful. These rocks are slippery like nothing you've ever imagined. Yeah, hold it. And as cool as this river is, man, it's a whole lot of work.
It's nice, smooth rock, so be real careful. Man, I'm dead serious, but you want to keep your feet in front of you. That was a pain in the ass.
Can't touch the bottom. We're swimming, and we get tangled up. We get snagged on the rock.
At that point, all I could do was just yell, "Get your feet forward, feet forward." Jameson is out of his element. I'm real concerned about Jameson. I got to get him warmed up.
Forced to stop down and warm up to avoid hypothermia, Nick manages to save the waterproof matches.
Matches still in your pocket?
Matches, yes. Still got the matches in the map.
Cold, miserable. Trying to get comfortable to get some sleep.
Tonight is by far the coldest night out. Absolutely the coldest out. The sleep bug has hit him rather hard, and he just hasn't gave a about the fire. That's all we need is for it to start downpouring rain and the temperature to drop 10 degrees. And we can't get our fire back because we don't have any coals. Having somebody sleep a great majority of the time when they're by the campfire and feeling like the burden is on you to keep the fire going and keeping everybody warm. You know, I tried waking him up. He just kind of mumbled and moved a little. Jameson has me extremely worried. I just don't think his urgency is anywhere near what I think it should be in this situation.
For him. For him. I don't know if anybody can be as urgent as my buddy here.
At some point in time, I'm gonna have to question your will to survive.
Tired and hungry, with 32 grueling miles and 7 days remaining to reach rescue, the guys get off to a rough start.
How about some hiking courtesy, man? Some damn limbs hit me in the face are really starting to suck.
I warned you about the last two.
That tether's a pain in the ass.
It can't get any worse, man.
Here, give me a little slack on that tether. Easy, don't pull. Oh, damn it.
Watch it.
Wow.
You all right, dude?
Yeah. This tether's really just a big pain in the ass, and, you know, it's like walking around on land with a boat anchor. Whoa, you ever seen bears?
Only on TV, dude.
There's a hefty little pile of it right there.
Wow.
We'll just have to keep an eye out for them. There's a lot of bears here. There's a lot of bear signs.
I definitely don't want to run into those guys. Maybe you should be singing as we walk along.
Oh, heck, I think we're making enough noise as it is. was right there.
He probably would have come down this way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't doubt that at all.
They're out here, and it's pretty scary.
As night falls, Nick and Jameson set up camp in bear territory.
Can't stop thinking about that bear, bro. That concerns me with setting up camp up here.
She very well could have a cub. I mean, tucked up in one of these trees. I mean, not likely, but you'll have to keep your ears on. Hang on.
Literally sounds like something is in the creek over here.
Just hoping one of these guys don't come near, don't smell us.
Whoa! That definitely wasn't just normal sounds at all.
There aren't very many bears down in Fort Lauderdale.
I've had experience with bears. I've been bluff charged by a grizzly bear, and I have had the opportunity to walk up on a black bear.
Don't want to see no black bears in the middle of the night.